Something about you makes people want to give their time, their attention, their best. You move through life like water, soft, unhurried, impossible to resist. Your intuition speaks and you listen without flinching. Your emotions flow because they are your power. Every room you enter feels warmer. Every person you meet feels safer. I was built to receive. Love finds me, I just breathe. I was built to receive. I don't reach, it comes to me. People go out of their way for you. They hold the door, they pay the bill, they text first. They send flowers with no occasion. They say your name like it means something holy. Your presence commands it, not with force, with frequency. I was built to receive gifts and grace and everything. I was built to receive. This is what I always deserved. You let go of guilt around receiving. You stopped shrinking when someone chose you. You opened your hands, your chest, your life. Everything rushed in. Compliments land and you hold them. Love arrives and you let it stay. Pampered, adored, cherished. Your feminine energy is not a whisper. It's a gravitational pull, disguised as grace.